another video where we are learning about indicators. Today we are going to learn about two more indicators. These are my favorite indicators. I still do not take trade on the basis of these indicators alone. I strictly follow price patterns and candlestick patterns. But these are really good indicators, and I'll tell you how to use them. Please follow them with uh, your patterns and do not take trade only on the basis of indicators. So let's get into it. Let's go to investing.com and let's pick a share. Let's say IndusInd Bank. This has been pretty volatile these days. We'll go to the technical chart. Let's start with the first indicator. It's called the Parabolic SAR. Parabolic SAR, wherein SAR, SAR, stands for stop and reverse. So this gives you buy and sell signals, right? So if the dot is below the candles, it means it's a buy signal and you can buy the trade. And if the dot is above the candle, it means it's a sell signal and you sell the trade. Parabolic SAR can also act as a hard stop loss for you. Parabolic SAR is known to give false signals if the trend is sideways. It is not effective if the trend is sideways. Next, we will look into another indicator called the Supertrend indicator, and it was a very popular indicator at one point of the time where people used to take trades only on the basis of Supertrend. It was that popular, right? So Supertrend, as the name suggests, is a trend indicator. It tells you the trend and it gives you clear buy or sell signal. So if the signal is green, if the line is green, it's a buy signal that you should hold the trade or you should enter the trade. Or if it's a red line, then it's a sell signal. So at this point, you can see there was a sharp decrease, sharp fall, and the price went down. And at this point, again, it became green and the price went up again. And if you go back, you can see Supertrend gave you a sell signal at this point itself, probably in December itself. And look how the price was keeping down all the while. Supertrend is also known to give false signals when the market is sideways. And that is why these indicators are not very reliable, because a lot of the times the trend is sideways and it will give you false signals and you will end up in a bad trade. So till now I've been telling you about combinations that you can use together to make a powerful indicator with your patterns, obviously. So Supertrend, you can take a combination of Supertrend and Parabolic SAR and they really make a good combination. So we have Supertrend open here already. Let's just add Parabolic SAR to this. Now see, if the dot is below the candle and if Supertrend is also green, that basically means a buy signal, right? So for example, if you take at this point, the dot is below the candle and the green and the Supertrend is also green, so it was very bullish at this point. Consider this point where the dot was already red for a while and Supertrend also became red, and there was a slight decline of the price, which was a sell signal for you. Let's consider some other point. Yeah, for example, at this point, there was the point dot below the candles, and the Supertrend also gave you a buy signal. If you have bought here, the price did go up almost 100 almost 100 points. So if you use Supertrend and Parabolic SAR, they are a very good combination. But always look for price patterns. If you have price patterns there where it broke the resistance or support, and you have Parabolic SAR and also Supertrend supporting you, then that trade is a definitely buy, and you should definitely enter that trade. And again, I am repeating myself, do not take trade only on the basis of indicators. Look for price patterns and then look for indicators and then take a trade. There would be 90% assurance that your trade would be good if you follow price patterns and indicators together. So this would be it for this video. I will see you in the next video with some other information regarding the stock markets. Till then, take care. Cheers. Have a nice day. Bye.